It is truly one of the world's best natural remedies for hair growth. If you've been struggling with thin hair, slow growth, or hair that just doesn't seem to get stronger no matter what you do, then today's video is especially for you. This remedy is known to give up to 10 times faster growth in your hair when used regularly. We're talking about some of the most amazing, potent hair recipes that nature has to offer. These remedies are simple, easy to prepare at home, and they will help you achieve thick, strong, and healthy hair growth. In fact, many people who try these recipes notice extreme improvement in the quality of their hairs. So if you are looking for extreme hair growth, or just want to naturally strengthen your hair from the roots, keep watching, because this recipe will not only accelerate your hair growth, but also nourish your scalp deeply. Today, I am going to present to you 2 wonderful recipes. The first one is a hair gel, and the second one is a hair pack. Both are made using completely natural ingredients that are very safe, very effective, and suitable for all hair types. First recipe, hair gel. For this gel, the key ingredient is fenugreek seeds. Take about 1 bowl of fenugreek seeds. The very first step is to wash these seeds with fresh water so that they are clean and ready to use. Fenugreek seeds are a rich source of iron and protein, which are 2 of the most essential nutrients when it comes to hair growth. Iron improves blood circulation to the scalp, while protein acts as the building block of your hair strands. That means your hair not only grows faster, but also becomes stronger. Fenugreek also has wonderful anti-inflammatory and antifungal effects. So if you have issues like dandruff, scalp irritation, or mild infections, fenugreek naturally helps in soothing those problems. Another amazing component in fenugreek is lecithin. This is a natural emollient, which means it nourishes your scalp and keeps your roots hydrated. As a result, your hair becomes strong, shiny, and resilient. Once the seeds are washed and cleaned, put them into a bowl. Now, add 1 cup of water to it and let the fenugreek seeds soak overnight. By the next morning, you'll notice that the seeds have become soft and larger in size because they absorbed the water. Now take these soaked seeds and put them into a frying pan. At this stage, we are going to add another wonderful ingredient: flax seeds. Flax seeds are a true nutrition powerhouse. They are loaded with vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which are extremely beneficial for hair. Vitamin E helps in repairing damaged hair follicles, while omega-3 nourishes your scalp and keeps it moisturized. Not only that, flax seeds also help in reducing hair breakage and split ends. They actually act on both your hair and scalp together, giving you all-round care. So now, put 2 tablespoons of flax seeds into the pan along with 1 cup of water. Turn on the stove and cook it on a low flame. Keep stirring it slowly and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll notice that the mixture will slowly start turning into a gel-like consistency. As soon as you see that it has thickened into a nice gel form, turn off the flame. Now comes an important step: filtering the gel. You must filter it while it is still hot, because once it cools down, the gel becomes thick and sticky, making it much harder to extract. So take a strainer or a muslin cloth and carefully separate the gel from the seeds. Once the gel is extracted, add just a few drops of vitamin E oil to it. This will make the gel even more powerful for nourishing your scalp. Mix it really well, and your homemade hair gel is ready. To use it, apply this gel from your scalp all the way down to the ends of your hair. While applying, gently massage your scalp for a few minutes. This massage helps improve blood circulation and ensures that the nutrients are absorbed properly. Leave the gel on your hair for about 45 to 60 minutes. After that, wash it off using a mild shampoo. Avoid harsh shampoos, because they can strip away the natural goodness of the gel. Second recipe: hair pack. Now let's move on to the second recipe, which is a hair pack. The best part is that we can make it using the remaining fenugreek and flax seeds that we already cooked. These seeds are still loaded with nutrients, so nothing goes to waste. Take the leftover mixture and put it into a grinder. Grind it really well until you get a fine, smooth paste. This paste is going to act as the base for our hair pack. Once it is ground, you will get a thick paste, but before applying, we need to make sure there are no granules. If small particles remain, they can get stuck in the hair and become difficult to remove. So take a stocking or a clean cotton cloth and filter the paste through it. By pressing it gently, you'll be able to extract a fine, creamy paste without any granules. Now add a few drops of vitamin E oil once again and mix it thoroughly. This is our nutrient-rich hair pack, completely ready to use. To apply, spread it evenly from the scalp all the way to the hair length. Make sure your scalp is fully covered, because that's where the roots are nourished. Leave it on for about 45 to 60 minutes, just like the hair gel. After that, rinse it off with a mild shampoo. When your hair dries, you will notice how it feels softer, smoother, and more voluminous. With regular use, you will see your hair transform from short to long and from thin to thick. These two simple recipes, when used consistently, can make a huge difference in your hair growth journey. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural hair and skincare recipes.